At 14, I had no idea that simple, bagay sa yung buhok mo. Alala mo? Will be the start of our story. Naiiyak na ako.
Sa 16 years natin as couples, sa wakas, doon natin na-experience yung saya at lungkot, away bate, harutan, bangayan. And above all those experiences, masasabi ko na nasa tamang babae ako.
Let me fall from my surroundings. Take over me, over every rushing man.
Way back high school kasi ikaw yung isa sa mga sikat na babae sa campus. Tapos ako lang yung tamang average looking guy na nabansot tapos maitim.
Here we know we're safe from the crashing.
We became really good friends sa text nga lang, tulad ng sabi mo. Pero di tayo nagpapansinan sa school. Sobrang gaan ang loob ko sa'yo na lahat ng problema ko, nasasabi ko sa'yo. At yun na pala yung simula na ikaw ang magiging sangganan at katuwang ko.
In the grip of your arms, far from where I wanna see the other side. Show me where to go.
Walang salita ang makakatumbas kung gaano ako nagpapasalamat na ikaw ang nasa tabi ko nang dumating yung iba't ibang pagsubok sa akin.
You have the pure heart and beautiful heart na simula noon nakilala ko, na minahal ko up until now. Siyempre, vow to, kailangan ko mag-promise. I will be your partner in life no matter what trials and hardships may come sa buhay natin as mag-asawa.
See around me, there's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further.
Di ko alam kung anong nakain mo. Naging magkaibigan tayo hanggang sa naging magkaibigan since August 8, 2008. August 1, 2008. Sorry, kinakabahan.
I've loved you since August 1, 2008, and now we're here on the day that will be one.
See the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Kaya iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at magkasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y maging isa.
I promise to be the best version of myself, and most of all, I promise to love and honor you in good times and in bad for all the days of my life.
I vow to be your first call when you have both terrible and wonderful news. Through the highs and the lows and all the roadblocks and every turn that we did not expect, I will remain by your side. As your best friend, halos pareho din na sinabi mo, your partner and your wife.
I will be your shield and strength, your source of joy and hope. And lastly, I pray that this marriage, I see Lord ang maging center from this very moment hanggang sa mga susunod pang sarangin.
But no matter how long or how I deeply love you, it never feels like enough. So today, I vow to spend every minute of this marriage loving all of you with all of me.
To the grip of your arms, far from where
I vow to always truly and deeply love you forever, even in the other side of life. I love you so much.